Your curriculum is ready. So, do you give it away or do you get paid for it? Vyroq lets you decide, per course. In the course editor, flip on Paid Course and 2 new fields appear, Price and Currency. Set your number, pick your currency, and your course now has a checkout built in. Prefer free? Leave it off. Either way, set visibility to draft, unlisted, or public. And only public puts your course in front of new students in the catalog. When you're ready, hit publish. The button flips instantly to unpublish, a publish toast confirms it, and your course goes fully live. No separate deploy step, no waiting. Here's the payoff. A free course enrolls a student the moment they click join. A paid course routes them straight through checkout, and the second payment clears therein automatically. Change your mind later? Toggle pricing or visibility anytime. Nothing about this is locked in. Free lead magnet or paid product, same editor, same publish button, your call. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.